Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel at nandito na naman tayo sa vlog na ito. Gagawa na naman tayo ng vlog na ito para matuto ulit ng Spanish. So I learn, you also learn. Kung hindi ka pa po nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, mag-subscribe ka na. Hit the notification bell and i-share na rin po. Allow me to share my screen. So last ay ang pinag-anuhan natin is yung yung dito yung definite and indefinite article. So ngayon naman po is the verb form I. Okay, the verb form I. So ano nga ba ang I sa English? There is and there are. So ito po yung ating examples na sentences sa Spanish. Kung saan ginagamit natin yung word na I. Examples, hay muchos, wait lang, spelling. Sorry sa spelling. Hay muchos libros en la biblioteca. Hay un libro encima de la mesa. Sorry, wrong spelling. Bayan. Mali yung aking code. So, editing ko natin. Ito po yung mga examples ng na sentence gamit ang I. Hay muchos libros en la biblioteca. There are many books in the library. Hay un libro encima de la mesa. There is a book on the table. So mapapansin natin yung there are, there is, ito po yung ginagamit natin. Ito yung kung saan sa English yung gumagawa tayo ng inverted sentence. O kung saan nauuna yung verb kaysa sa subject. So ganun din sa sa Spanish. So pwede din gumamit ng inverted sentence. So more examples, más ejemplos. Hay dos baños en mi casa. There are two baths in my house. Wrong spelling na naman tayo, guys. Sorry. Let me read again. Más ejemplos. Hay dos baños en mi casa. There are two baths in my house. Hay cuatro océanos en el mundo. There are 4 oceans in the world. Hay un libro y una pluma en la mesa. There is one book and one pen on the table. Or there is a book and a pen on the table. So when we use in questions, I has 2 different meaning. So ito na po yun. Ito sa sentence. So ito, is there, are the. So is the, are the. For example, ejemplos, hay un hotel en el centro. Hay algunos libros por aquí. Is there a hotel downtown? Are there any books around here? Another example. So kung mapapansin nyo kapag gagawa kayo ng questions po, interrogative questions, ito po yung ito yung kanyang punctuation mark. May punctuation mark sa una and last, first and last. Magbaliktad yung question mark, then baliktad, inverted na question mark. Más ejemplos. Hay muchos estudiantes en la clase. Are there lots of students in the class? Hay cuatro sillas en el cuatro. Pinapalito, kwarto to. Kwarto? Tayo dun kwarto. Save natin natin. Okay. Ulit-ulit. Kamali ang spelling. Más ejemplos, hay muchos estudiantes en la clase. Are there lots of students in the class? Hay cuatro sillas en el cuarto. Are there four chairs in the room? Hay una chica o dos? Is there only one girl or two? So the verb form I can also be used to answer questions. So kanina, declarative sentence, inverted sentence. Ngayon naman, tawag dito, interrogative sentence. Yung gamit. Okay, same pa rin siya, kaso, ayan. Nauuna pa rin yung yung I. Okay? I. Okay. Ejemplo, hay un hotel en el centro. Is there, hay un hotel en el centro. Is there a hotel downtown? So this is the answer C, C-I. Yes, there is C, C-I. Hay algunos libros por aquí. Are there any books around here? No, no hay. Or sa English, no, there aren't. There aren't. So, kapag aanhin nyo lang, sasagutin nyo itong question na to, may there is and there are. Pag yes, C, C-I. No, no I. So, it is vital, sabi nga dito sa ginagamit ko na tutorial book, it is vital that you begin a collection of verb flashcards. So, kailangan tayo kung mag-exercise tayo nito gamit itong I, mas maganda daw gumawa tayo ng flashcards. So, it will help us master the Spanish verb. So, paano ba gumawa ng card? O gumawa ng collection verb flashcard? So, kailangan natin gumawa ng card with the verb form I on one side and the English translation on the other side. So, it will help us easily memorize and learn the different terms. Okay, hanggang dito na lang po yung aking ma-share and ating self-learning. Self-learning. So, thank you for watching my video and thank you for accompanying me in this learning journey. Wait lang, stop sharing na tayo. And then, kung hindi ka pa po mag-subscribe ka na, like, share, and hit the notification bell. And watch my next video. Peace out!